Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Lateral.
What does the dictionary say?
Of or relating to the side. Situated at, proceeding from, or directed to a side.
Math rap.
With lateral, there is nothing to hide. It simply means on the side. Think of a cone lying in front of your face. The lateral area is the curved side, not the base.
Math rap.
Explain the term lateral in your own words. Stand in a large circle with other classmates. Pass around a football laterally. Time how long it takes. Try again to beat your previous time. Name 10 things that we see every day found in a lateral position. Name 5 objects that are often or mostly found in a lateral position that can also be changed to go vertical. Example, a ladder. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!